Howdy fellow maker peeps. In today's video I'm going to show you one of my little hidden gems for sources that I use for organization things and shipping supplies. This box is from IMailer Global, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description where you can find all this stuff obviously, but we're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you what I get and the gems that I use to organize my sublimation stuff, my shop, and also for my shipping supplies. And we're going to start right now. Alright guys and girls, the box was a little bit of a wreck because apparently FedEx just hates me for some reason. But here's the items I got. And again, they always do free shipping if you get a certain amount. But this is what I use to organize my shop. The first item is the 12-inch by 15-inch. These are the 2 mil bags. We got 100 of them. They're very affordable, and I use these for keeping projects together, like keeping small parts together, or also to do anything with like t-shirts or anything like that. We'll show you exactly what they are. But these guys are amazing. And as you can see, you just peel one back, and they're basically just big Ziploc bags that are 12-inch by 15-inch, and they have a nice zipper and everything. You put your projects in there. Matter of fact, I'll show you exactly how I use it. Like if I'm keeping projects and stuff together, that's exactly what I do. I also love to use them to keep sublimation blanks together. They're fantastic for that. These are the same thing. This is the IMailer Global 4 mil. These are a little thicker plastic, but these are smaller 9 by 12s. And these specifically, I absolutely love. I mean, there's nothing better to store small sublimation blanks than this. But as you can tell, these are twice as thick because 2 mil versus 4 mil. You can tell by the thickness. You can tell by the way they feel. You probably can't tell on camera, but there is a difference between the 4 mil and 2 mil. And these are just a nice heavy duty, like small project thing. Like if I'm building something electronic, if I'm storing sublimation blanks, anything like that, this is my go-to. Is these 9 by 12 4 mil bags are absolutely incredible for that. Matter of fact, we're going to show you exactly how I have my stuff organized. Like anything to do with sublimation pins, these are all the 9 by 12 4 mil bags. I go through a lot of them because you know, just slap you a label on them. It's nice, it's heavy duty, they're not going to fall out. It's a nice thick bag. You need phone cases. This is both the regular sublimation, also vacuum. I just put them all together, and you can see you can put quite a bit in there, and it keeps all my stuff together. And I put these in just a drawer. Same thing with ornaments. Ornaments are quite heavy. Cheaper bags, they would fall apart, but these have been going strong for a while. So I just put them in there just like that. Ornaments, I know what's in there. Just all kind of ornaments, aluminum, ceramic. I may eventually do those out separate to, you know, aluminum versus ceramic versus whatever. And the third and final thing, which I've been needing these for a minute, are the gingham poly bags. And what I do with these are this is my default thing to use to ship. Let me show you the label first. These are the 100 count 12 by 15.5 black gingham plaids. And I mean, they have a bunch of more girly patterns and all that, but I kind of like it. And they're not padded or anything, but they're absolutely perfect for shipping t-shirts or anything. Matter of fact, I got one that needs to go. Matter of fact, this guy needs to go, so we're gonna go ahead and you just stuff it in there, and then it's self-seal, by the way. So you just put it in there, seal it, and super easy, and you have a nice, attractive bag. And I mean, you can put your label on it and everything, and you got a good product there. It'll do almost any size shirt because it's, you know, that's a large, and it's got tons of room all around. But overall, if you don't need anything too fancy and padded for like apparel and anything like that, for tumblers inside the box. Absolutely perfect for stuff like that. And again, these are cheaper on IMailer Global than on Amazon or anywhere else, and they do free shipping. It's always worth getting some Sublimation blank storage stuff and at least some shipping bags, because these are, customers like getting things not regular white, regular vanilla packaging. They like the upgraded packaging, so this is my go-to for things like this. But yeah, I cannot state enough how awesome they are for Sublimation blanks, just to have all your stuff all divided out. That way you're not wasting time looking for stuff. You can just have everything categorized nice and neat. You can print labels and put on them and all that, just like what I have. And it's a game changer for your shop. It's absolutely perfect. Like, I should have done this when I first started, but you know, that's how I found IMailer Global, is this particular product right here. I just happened to get some of these while I was at it, and they're beautiful, they're lovely, and they work. Now, I suppose I should show you exactly what I do. I went ahead and labeled this. It's just baby stuff, because I don't do enough baby stuff to have like baby shirts and baby blankets and all that. But I mean, it's really just as easy. Like, you see how strong that is? Like, I'm giving that a good pull, and it just doesn't. Like, it's perfect. Baby blankets, baby onesies. We're just gonna put that in there. And now that just seals super easy. Get the air out of them, and we got stuff ready to go. And now, despite all this mess, you can see where some of my sublimation stuff goes. I just put it in there, and it's labeled if I need it, and there you go. So, all right, fellow crafting and sublimation peeps, this is my secret weapon when it comes to organizing the shop and organizing small projects. Granted, the shipping stuff's really great too, but I don't really ship a whole lot of packages as much as I do local stuff and stuff like that. But anytime I need to ship a shirt, one of these gingham mailers is what I shoot for, and they do perfect for that. And they're much more affordable at IMailer than they are anywhere else, including Amazon in most cases. And once again, these things, these giant Ziploc bags, basically, they are the absolute best thing for storing small sublimation blanks, like baby stuff, coasters, phone cases, all that goes right in here. And it helps me keep them organized, and it helps keep my shop and workflow way better. And same thing with like in my shop, if I have like small, somewhat built projects, they go in these. If they're not big enough for a dedicated 27-gallon tote, they go in one of these guys. But anyway, big shout out to IMailer for hooking me up with some stuff. They're a great company. Shipping's fast. Matter of fact, if you use code SPS8, you can save 8% off your order, and you can take advantage of that free shipping also with a certain amount. I think it's like $30 or something like that. But overall, they are fantastic. Great products, good people, fast shipping, everything you could ever want, man. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more sublimation and maker content. And peace, guys. Love y'all.